Welcome to Parent Education Series module on COVID-19. Today we are discussing about COVID-19 in newborn babies, and I am Dr. Babu S. Madarkar, consultant and in charge of Neonatal Intensive Care Unit, Rainbow Children's Hospital, Marathalli, Bangalore. Can a baby acquire COVID? Yes, babies can also acquire COVID infection. We have been facing this pandemic since the last couple of months and couple of weeks, and we see many adults and pediatric population having COVID and suffering from various complications of COVID. Likewise, even the newborn babies can have the COVID infection. Do they really become sick? Yes, at times babies also tend to become really sick with the COVID infection. But the good news is that the severity and the intensity with which they become sick is very less. And the chances of recovery, chances of survival is very good. Now we have very common doubt, do a baby acquire infection when the baby is in mother's womb? The time immemorial, it has been shown on multiple occasions that chances of baby acquiring infection when the baby is in mother's womb is very less, so negligible that we can just rule the chances that the baby is acquiring infection from the mother is absolutely nil. Then how do they acquire infection? Chances of acquisition of infection of a baby is mostly from the caregivers. Most commonly, the chances of acquiring infection will be from the mother or any caregiver who comes in contact with the baby. Now, how do a baby who has acquired COVID infection manifest? The good news is that most of the babies who have COVID infection do not have major symptoms, but they can still present with symptoms like lethargy, poor feeding. They can have, in fact, fever, respiratory difficulty. They can have decrease in blood pressures. At times, they might even have fits. How do we take care of these babies? Yes, we can all take care of these babies in the neonatal intensive care unit, and most of the babies do well with appropriate therapy. Can a mother who is COVID positive take care of a normal newborn baby? Yes, we all know that breast milk is the best milk, and this breast milk contains large amount of antibodies which will help the baby to be protected against the infection. If a mother is COVID positive, she is developing antibodies, and these antibodies should be transferred to the baby by usage of appropriate hand washing and masks. With this, mother can take care of the babies. In our experience, in the past couple of months and in the previous wave, we have seen mothers with wet nursing at the side of the baby. We have seen the outcomes in the baby has been exemplarily normal. The babies do not tend to have any kind of infection if babies are being wet nursed appropriately. And coming to the question, can a mother who is lactating, who is wet nursing, take a vaccination? With the current guidelines on, a mother who is feeding the baby can take vaccination and can still breastfeed the baby without any side effect on the baby. There are some speculations with respect to the fact that can we give vaccination to baby the COVID vaccine. The COVID vaccination, still the guidelines are not updated with respect to the safety and efficacy as far as giving these jabs to the newborn babies. We have to wait till the point we show beyond doubt these vaccinations are safe to the baby. Only then we can give the vaccination to the baby. But with the common sense, we all can understand it is not these small kids or small babies who go out and acquire the infection. It is we adults who go out and acquire the infection, come back home and give the infection to these babies. So it is we who have to become the barriers. It is we who have to become barriers by accepting vaccination and getting vaccination done to ourselves. Only then we can prevent the babies acquiring infection thereby.